Hello. So right now, let's try Midnight Special. This one goes like this. You have three chords. You have a C, you have an F, and you have G7. And then the strum we're going to use is the swung strum, which is the down, down, up, up, down, up. And we're going to do the chord progression like so. F gets two patterns of down, down, up, down, up. C gets two patterns. G7, two patterns. And then back to C for two more patterns, and it just does that in a loop through the entire song. So it'll go like a 1, a 2, a 1, 2, starting on F, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, C, down, down, up, down, down, up, G7, down, 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 to C. And that's the whole progression. Let's try that one more time together, nice and slow. A 1, a 2, a 1, 2. Here we go. F to C. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. G7. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, C. So with the melody, it kind of sounds like 1, a 2. To C, comes G7, back to C, 2, 3, 4, F, C, now to G7, and back to C, 2, 3, 4, F, up, down, down, up, down, up, C, down, up, down, down, up, G7, down, up, down, back to C, down, up, down, down, up, F, to C, to G7, back to C, let the midnight special shine a light on me. Let the midnight special shine the light on me. 2, 3, 4, F, then to C, and then G7, back to C, yeah. 2, 3, 4, F, then to C, yeah, do G7. When you wake up in the morning, just a while before the day, you go marching to the table, made the same damn thing. Fork and knife are on the table, ain't a pork up in the pan. And if you say something about it, you get in trouble with the man. Let the midnight special shine a light on me, shine on me. Let the midnight special shine a light on me. To top, if you ever go to Houston, boys, you better walk right, and you better not squabble, and you better not fight, or the sheriff will arrest you, up and bring it down. The next thing you know, boy, you're sugar land bound. Let the midnight special shine a light on me. Let the midnight special shine a light on me. Let's try from the top one more time. 2, 3, 4, F, 2, G, then G7, back to C, and on C. Awesome. Yo, hope this was a nice video and it's an awesome song. Please enjoy. Peace out.